Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to create automatic captions, and I'm going to do it in about 90 seconds or so. It's very quick, very simple. Let's get going. First step here, I've got some stock footage in my project panel. Drag and drop it onto the timeline like I have here. It's just lemons and limes in water. Looks nice. The second step is I've got a very brief little audio caption of me talking, and I'm going to drag and drop that onto the audio track. I'll put it on A2, and I'll just hit spacebar so you can hear what I say.
Hello, my name is Curtis, and it is nice to meet you.
I say, hello, my name is Curtis, and it is nice to meet you. I want that to be a automatic caption, and I don't want to type it out, so let's go. The next step is you want to go up to the top here, and you click on the Captions workspace. Left click on that, and it's going to open up a brand new workspace. And presto, here we go. I'm going to get rid of that. Now what the next step is, you want to go to in Captions workspace, text, captions. You're going to see transcript and captions. Click on transcribe sequence. Left click on that, and then you can avoid most of this stuff unless English isn't your first language or what you're speaking in. Then you're going to want to go ahead in and change that. But I'm going to left click on transcribe. It's going to take a few seconds. Here we go. So it takes about 20 seconds or so. I will come back as soon as the transcription is ready. All right, welcome back. You'll notice that it said uploading to server. That means this is being computed in Adobe's cloud. So they're taking care of it on their servers, which is actually amazing how well this does. So now you're going to see here under transcript, it's going to say, hello, comma, my name is Curtis, period, and it is nice to meet you. That is exactly what I said in there, as you can remember from when I hit spacebar earlier. If you want to change this, if let's say they got it not quite right, and you wanted that period to be an exclamation, you could just double click on it like I did there, hit enter, and boom, you've made a change to it. Also, as you scan over top of different parts of the audio clip, it actually bounces along the sentence part, like where the correct word as you move the playhead. Yeah, there we go, Curtis, use your words. So this is an amazing technology. In order to create the captions as the final step, left click on create captions, and then you can go ahead and make some changes in here to different styles and formats, but I'm just going to go with standard stuff right here. Left click on create, and you're going to see here that it is baked into the video. So when I render it, it would be coming with the video, which is amazing. If you want to make final changes, you can left click on the subtitle here, and you're going to see under essential graphics, we can go ahead and make the font bigger. So let's go with something like nice to me. Let's go with something maybe like that. Let's go like 94, and then we could change the font obviously to, let's go with Monaco. I mean, there's a million different options here, but the point is, this is how you go ahead and make captions automatically in seconds using Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. Ton more stuff coming up. Stay tuned.